Let us talk about the operation of integers. The first one is addition. We use this number line. Example. To add this number, 1 plus 4, we use this number line. We say, from 1, we add 4 units to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the answer is 5. This is our example 1. Let's have another example. Negative 1 plus negative 2. So we start from negative 1 here, and we add negative 2 units to the left. So we say negative 1, we start here, negative 1, then 1, 2. We stop at negative 3. So the answer is negative 3. Let us have another example for the positive numbers addition. Say 2 plus 4. From here we count 4 units to the right. We say 1, 2, 3, 4, and the answer is 6. Let us have another example with the negative numbers. Negative 2 plus negative 3. Let's have another here. So negative 2, we add 3 units to the left. So we say 1, 2, 3, and the answer is negative 5. This is how to add integers using the number line. Now let us see the pattern what we see on example 1 and 3. For examples 1 and 3, we have two numbers, two addends that are both positive, and our answer is also positive. On the example 2 and example 4, our two addends are both negative, and our answer is also negative. If we're adding both positive numbers, our sum is positive. If we're adding both negative numbers, the sum is negative. For example, we have negative 10 plus negative 15. The answer is negative 25. Just add both numbers and copy the common sign. 10 plus 15, the answer is 25. How do you answer 35 plus 20? Negative 35 plus negative 20. Here both are positive, so our answer is positive. So we say 55. These two are both negative, and our answer is negative 55. That is how to add integers for addends that are of the same sign. How about if the addends are of different signs? How do you answer them? So we have here a number line, and we are going to add integers that are of different signs. So example number 1, -1 plus 3. We start at -1 and we count 3 units to the right. 1, 2, 3, and we stop at 2, so the answer is positive 2. Another example, -2 plus 4. We start at -2 and we count 4 units to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. We answer at 2. Another example, -2 plus 6. We start at -2 and we count 6 units to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We stop at 4. So the answer here is 4. Let's have another example, number 4. 1 plus -3. We start at 1 and we count 3 units to the left. 1, 2, 3. The answer is -2. Another example, +2 plus -4. We start at +2 and we count 4 units to the left. We say 1, 2, 3, 4, and the answer is -2. Another, we have +2 plus -6, and the answer, let's start from here. +2, we count 6 units to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We stop at -4, so the answer is -4. Let us examine the 3 examples on this left side. Notice in example 1, 2, and 3, the first addends are negative, the second addends are positive, and the first addends are a smaller number compared to the second addends, and our sum is positive. In our 4, 5, and 6 examples, our first addends are positive and our second addends are negative. Then our sum here, all are negative. What will be our conclusion now? Let us make a rule in adding integers of different signs. Number 1, get the absolute value of the numbers. Second, get the difference of their absolute values. And the third is copy the sign of the number farther from 0. Let's try this. We have negative 16 plus 24. These two numbers are of different signs, so we have to follow the rule of adding numbers with different signs. Get the absolute value of negative 16, and that is 16. Get the absolute value of 24, and that is 24. Get the difference between the two. 24 minus 16 is 8. So we have here 8. Which one is farther from 0? It is positive 24. So the answer is positive 8. You can just remove the positive sign. The second example, we have negative 16 plus negative 24. What we do here is add immediately and copy the common sign. So we have negative 40. The last one, we have 16 plus negative 24. And get the absolute value of 16. That is positive 16. Get the absolute value of negative 24. That is 24. Subtract. That is 8. So we have here 8. But which one is farther from 0? It is negative 24. So we have negative 8.